person's lifetime, there are three hierarchies that govern them. Number one, the hierarchy of their God. Number two, the hierarchy of the land. Number three, the hierarchy of the society. No religion allows a relative to marry the other. The hierarchy of God. Number two, the hierarchy of the land. The hierarchy of the land highly depends on the hierarchy of God and the hierarchy of the society. They might not say it, for we have a constitution that grants you some freedom, provided you're not violating anyone's rights. But it's not right for a sibling to get married to the other. It's not right for a sibling to indulge in any sexual activity with their sibling.